So if a thief managed to get hold of this key for a 2021 Discovery 5, when to drive it away, it's going to start up. Well, when they select a gear, the vehicle's going to cut out and they're going to be unable to move it. So as you can see, the vehicle switched off and died, unable to drive it. For the customer to drive this, they've gone for the optional tag. So we'll just pop the battery in. So now with this, just be hanging off your keys, get in, start the car, disarm straight away, and you can drive off. If they forget the tag one day or the battery goes flat, just take the battery out. So the tag's gone flat one day, you can also use a push sequence. So to do that, start the car, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3 we have set for now. Hear a disarm tone and drive away. This system can also be put into service mode. The easiest way to do that is with the tag. So we'll just put the battery in and show you how that works. Service mode with the tag, we'll press and hold on this button. Watch the green light. When it begins to flash rapidly, we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps in the car, and now this is a normal vehicle. So if the tag wasn't here, went back to Range Rover, all you've got to do is give them the key. It starts up, goes into gear, doesn't need a code, doesn't need to see the tag. System's disarmed completely, turned off so Range Rover can work on it. When you get it back, you want to turn the system back on. As you'll see, this time it's amber, it's in service mode. We'll press and hold, it'll go solid. When it starts to flash rapidly, we let go, we get 2 bleeps, and the system's protected again. The way we're going to know is when we start the car, we'll hear it disarm. There we go, and we can drive away. System's back on. So this uses the Bluetooth tag. Like I said, this could just be in your pocket, left in your wallet. You get in, start the car, and drive off straight away. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Immobiliser with the additional Bluetooth tag. Can be paired to your phone, has a push sequence. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get your vehicle secure. Thanks for watching.